Well, this is part one of this washer in the Meadows apartment. And if you could notice, it's a mess in here. We're putting a transmission in. This is what it looked like after we tore it down. You got stuff here, there, and stuff out here. You have to tear them all the way down. And you just ain't looking at no hour, 2 hours to do this transmission job. You're looking at maybe 3 to 4 hours or more. So this is what it looks like when you tear the transmission up. We're replacing it with a new one. Now here's what's wrong with it. This is the old transmission. Listen to the bottom bearing. That noise there will be real loud when it's spinning. And it would make it leak water. That's the old transmission. So you got to replace the transmission because the bearing comes with this new transmission. Listen to it. Yep, that's the way. That'll stop all that. Well, we'll give you the final report on this in the laundry room when we get it all back together. I just want to see what y'all look like when it's tearing it down. We're going to get ready to go back, put the new transmission in there. Get all of it back together. Till then, we'll see y'all on part 2 of replacing the transmission and a Frigidaire washer stack dryer.